Do YouTube, what it do, Divine Gang? My name is Divinely Cool, C-O-U-T-H, because you can't spell it either. And today, I'm staying in an Airbnb that is an RV, or considered a tiny house maybe, depending on who you're talking to. The Airbnb is in Miami. It sleeps 3 people, and I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a tour of this awesome place, give you guys my honest opinion. Camper is surrounded by a fence, which at first I wasn't too fond of but just a nice private outside space where you can just come and do your thing. Camper is a coachman. It sleeps up to 3 people. At the kitchen, I really was digging this backsplash. They did the hack that I did. They have an electric eye instead of using propane, because propane isn't always as reliable. Let's get into this fridge. So the fridge had ample amount of space, but I also like the fact that it had like this, you know, like I said, it was stainless steel, but it gave like a mirror vibe. So all of my friends and I, we used it as an actual mirror. One of my friends is about 6'2", 6'1", and he was able to fit in his bunk bed pretty comfortably. My other friend, she was able to fit in the bunk bed pretty comfortably. The bathroom is really small, but it has everything that a basic bathroom has. You know, sink, toilet, shower. The living room space is a very open floor plan. We were all able to relax in the living room comfortably and watch TV. The TV was on the swivel, which I thought was really cool. They had Netflix, and they had a couple of other things, but we ended up just using Netflix. The Wi-Fi was great. As far as the master room was very spacious. It was spacious enough for me. I was very comfortable. They had great storage for me to actually be able to hang my linen and to hang my clothes. I was very comfortable. Like I said, I even had a TV, which I did not capture, but the TV definitely came in handy. Overall, this Airbnb, this camper was really warm and cozy. We called it home for about 3 days, and we definitely were comfortable, like I said. The only thing I feel like could have been a little bit better was just, you know, maybe having some more accommodations, like some shampoo. You know, they didn't have any silverware, they didn't have any soap or toothpaste. But like I said, overall we were super comfy. I enjoyed my experience and I enjoyed my stay, and Miami was great. It rained. It didn't rain a lot, but the weather was like on and off raining. It was really windy. I hope you guys really enjoyed this segment. This is something that I'll be bringing to the channel. This is something that you guys will be seeing a lot more, just to give you some more insight on tiny houses and camper life. I also have a video of us just vlogging, walking around, just checking out Miami and just seeing what Miami has to offer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, please make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Divine Gang, become a part of that great family, and just remember, you are on divine timing. Everything is happening in divine timing.